Hafaday. We at WERI are pleased to present this virtual tour of the northern Guam Lens Aquifer. We will take you to 4 sites where you can see how this aquifer captures, stores, and yields the fresh water for 90% of Guam's total production. First, however, a bit of background. Freshwater production is between 34 and 40 million gallons per day, some 14 to 17% of recharge. On average, about 100 to 120 production wells are in service, pumping an average of about 250 gallons per minute each. The aquifer is an uplifted limestone platform. Beneath it is a hydrologically tight volcanic rock unit. The ridges and hills of this unit partition the aquifer into 6 separate groundwater basins. Within each basin are 3 groundwater zones: the basal, parabasal, and suprabasal zone. Suprabasal water descends the flanks of the basement down to sea level where it joins the parabasal zone. Here, the lens is underlain by rock rather than salt water. Downstream of the parabasal zone is the basal zone, where the lens is underlain by the denser salt water. Shown here is a schematic cross-section down the axis of the Jigo-Tuman Basin, which leads between Mount Santa Rosa and Mataguac Hill. Now, we are ready to visit the 4 sites, where you can see the rocks and features we have just described. Here, at Mount Aludum, are the island's best outcrops of the rock that underlies the aquifer. Mount Aludum also provides an impressive view of the surface of the aquifer. The Department of Public Works quarry provides some of the island's best examples of the aquifer's water-bearing rock. Porosity is very high, typically 20% or more. The texture of this rock ranges from that of chalk to sandstone and can store and release water like a sponge. The Peace Memorial Park in Jigo provides an outstanding example of a natural sinkhole with an active swallow hole at its bottom. Here, storm waters that run off the flank of the hill enter and descend some 400 vertical feet to the water table. This final stop provides a spectacular view of the entire aquifer surface, including each of its 6 basins. We hope that you have enjoyed this virtual field trip, and that you can join us sometime in one of the real ones. Special thanks to our colleagues who have contributed to the development of both the real and virtual field trips over the years.